I am so excited to see you all here in 2023, and so many new faces has joined the EP family. The EP family is what we talk about a lot. You wear the EP jacket being proud to be a representative of the brand. And that makes us proud. When I first came to EP, this company was very different. This company produced only 7,500 machines a year. Guess how long we need to do that now? 1.5 weeks. Now that's impressive, but what's more impressive is that the spirit in the company was exactly the same. The people have the same energy. The people have the same understanding of how to change the industry. And we will continue to be that company. We are here to give you a choice, to grow your business, to choose your opportunities. Today, you're in the new Anji factory. A factory built in only 9 months. This factory is purposefully built for the manufacturing of the future. All this factory is managed by the DAS, the Digital Autonomous System, developed by EP to run a factory completely autonomous. In 2012, we introduced a new pallet truck. Back then, nobody, except a few people in this company, could have foreseen what that would mean for the industry. To create a new category is something very special. We have done that by creating the category of entry-level pallet trucks. And many of you joined us in that time to become part of the journey. So from the 7,500 units I talked about before in 2012, we started our growth path, going to 50,000, 80,000, 100,000, 130, 245, and last year, a whooping 260,000 units global production volume. And that's all of you. We don't want to copy anything someone else has done. What we want to do is create groundbreaking products. Later on, we introduced forklift trucks. What can we change? How can we change the market completely once again? With the introduction of the EFL series, and I think many of you will agree, we have done exactly that. We brought simplicity back to electric forklift trucks. We turned around and said simplicity and simple service is what a good forklift is all about. In 2019, we produced around 3,500 forklift trucks a year. We grew to 10,000, 15,000, and this year, all of you again will sell together 21,000 lithium-ion forklift truck. We are the new kids on the block. We want to continue to feel that energy, but at the same time, we can all be proud to be out there. Most forklift companies nowadays are just assembly companies. They assemble components made by other people. We go the completely opposite way. We are making and in-housing more and more components. We're getting ready to really purposefully build all core components of our forklifts. We want to be on the one side independent of our supply chain, but we also want to really be in control of the quality and the performance able to put into our products. All of these components will lead to more innovative products. And that's what it's all about. Through all of that innovation and all the products you will see, we will keep one core principle at our heart: innovation through simplicity. And simplicity does not mean cheap. Simplicity doesn't mean we're lacking of any kind of features. It means we don't want to make complicated solutions. It's now the time to find out if we are the right partner for you, if we have the right products. Many people send you emails every day telling you they have something cheap, they have something great, they have something innovative. We believe we can, in these 3 days, convince you that EP is the partner for the future. Together, we are a great community who can achieve everything together. So when you take all of these things into consideration, and you believe in change, you're ready to take risk together with us, you will gain opportunities. And from those opportunities, you will create growth. Growth for you, growth for us, growth for the community. Together, we can do that.